In El Cajon, a woman operating an immigration consulting business has received a cease and desist order from the California Bar Association.
She's accused of operating an unauthorized law practice. And as NBC7's Dave Summers explains, it all started with an argument with her niece on social media.
Pues me siento molesta porque
I feel upset because I trusted her.
El Cajon resident Iralda Gonzalez says she trusted Maria Llanos because she helped her renew her green card. She says she spent $3,500 and 2 years working with Llanos to get her husband one, but never could.
In reality, she was doing a bad job.
Gonzalez is one of an untold number of clients and former clients that sought legal help for immigration issues from Llanos, but she is not a licensed attorney.
There was a sign outside that read Law Office of Maria Llanos, signs inside the office that said the lawyer does not work until we receive payment.
Brenda Rodriguez is with the Office of Chief Trial Counsel for the California Bar Association. She is the lead attorney on this case. The cease and desist petition filed against Llanos with San Diego Superior Court reads, respondent has subjected victims and clients to fraud, illegal services, and potential harm by engaging in the unauthorized practice of law. Investigators took control of Llanos' business on Broadway in El Cajon this week. Rodriguez says she doesn't know how many clients Llanos had worked with, but they confiscated 7 boxes of documents. 2/3 of those were client files. According to the Bar Association, Llanos was a registered immigration consultant between 2017 and 2020, but the investigator could find no such current credentials with the California Secretary of State's office. Rodriguez says the Secretary of State, for reasons unknown to her, filed a cease and desist order against Llanos in 2020, but she continued to practice.
A consultant can help fill out paperwork and things like that, but they cannot tell you what paperwork you need. They can't give you legal advice.
It was not a client, but Llanos' niece, Kendall, that complained to the Bar Association, but not before she blew the whistle on Facebook. Attempts to reach Llanos were unsuccessful. According to the court filing, though, Llanos responded to the allegations this way. Respondent stated that her niece, Kendall Llanos, has personal problems with her because respondent filed a lawsuit against her niece for defamation. Rodriguez can't speak to the motive, but says people trying to obtain legal status in the U.S. are often taken advantage of.
This is a very vulnerable community. A lot of them don't speak English.
As for Gonzalez, her struggle getting a green card for her husband continues, only with thousands of dollars less than when she started. Dave Summers, NBC7.
And Maria Llanos is scheduled for a hearing on October 11th in Superior Court. The allegations have been turned over to the law enforcement authorities to investigate possible criminal charges now.